honest, when was the last time you really thought about the air in your home? We clean our counters, wipe down our sinks, but what about what we're breathing all day long? Now, EPA has actually found that indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. Yikes! And common culprits are synthetic air fresheners, cleaning sprays, candles with artificial fragrance, and even furniture off-gassing. But the good news is you can take simple, natural steps to purify the air and make your home smell amazing at the same time. Essential oils aren't just about nice scents, they're actually packed with natural plant compounds that can help neutralize odors, support respiratory health, and even clean the air. Now, these are 3 ways to naturally purify air with essential oils. So, tip number 1, start your day diffusing. Just add water, 4 to 6 drops of your favorite oil, and you're good to go. Now, I love Purify during the day or lavender in the evening. I have a 10-hour intermittent diffuser that carries me all day long. So, if you're interested in learning more about this, I'll put a link in the description. Now, create a routine. So, morning motivational blends, afternoon focus, or calming evening scents. So, here's a hack. Set a reminder on your phone to turn your diffuser on at key moments, like when you wake up, or when you get home, or when you want to begin winding down. These reminders will help you establish the habit. Tip number 2. DIY room spray. Mix up your own room spray with distilled water, a splash of witch hazel, and 15 to 20 drops of oils like lemon, wild orange, or tea tree. Spritz it around the house for a quick refresh. This eliminates the synthetic junk found in air fresheners. Tip number 3, cotton ball or vent hack. No diffuser? No problem. Add a few drops of oil to a cotton ball and place it in your closet, car, or under the trash can lid. Or add oils to a tissue and tuck it into the air vent, sending the scent throughout the entire room. Now, one of the best ways to stick with clean air habits is to make diffusing a part of your daily rhythm. So try a wake-up blend in your bathroom to start your day, or a focus blend at your desk for work or school, and then a calming blend in the evening while you unwind. And of course, you have to make it easy. Keep your diffuser visible, oils nearby, and your favorite blends pre-mixed in a bottle. Now, I've set up several diffusing stations throughout my home, and I've done a video on this, so I'll link it at the end of this video if you want to catch that. I promise this will make diffusing easy peasy. So, what blends are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If this gave you some fresh ideas, please like this video, subscribe for more natural wellness tips, and share it with a friend who could use a breath of fresh air, literally.